You are now ready to set up the Cobalt X. Begin by opening the box and removing all the contents. Put aside the LoRaWAN antenna, batteries, and back cover. Install batteries to the Cobalt X Datalogger, paying attention to the orientation of the batteries. Install back cover and small screw. Install LoRaWAN antenna. The Cobalt X must be set to communicate with the application server. To do this, tap on the screen to wake up the logger. Press on the menu icon at the top right of the screen. Press on Advanced and enter in 6 zeros as the password. Press on LoRaWAN, Network, OCEAView On-Prem. Enter in your 8-digit customer ID. Press OK. Press back until you are back on the main screen. If you do not know your 8-digit customer ID, contact your OCEAView administrator. Ensure there are 3 solid bars in the upper left corner of the screen. This confirms that the logger sees the gateway. Connect your sensors to the logger. Press on the menu, Sensors, Refresh Sensor. Press on Show Sensors. Ensure the sensor is displayed. Press on Synchronize. Adding a Cobalt 2X Datalogger to OCEAView. Log in to the application server. Click on the Datalogger icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Add icon. Enter in the serial number located at the top of the logger. Enter in a name for the Datalogger. Choose the correct organization. Check the trigger alarm box at the bottom and enter in value according to your SOP. Press Save. Now on the Cobalt X Datalogger, access the menu. Press on Synchronize. Back on the application server, refresh the web page. Ensure there is a recent last activity timestamp, and sensors should be listed on the sensors table. The logger is now successfully added. Starting logging. Log into the web application. Now click on the equipment icon. Click on Add. Enter in the name of the equipment. If needed, enter in the inventory code type. Otherwise, it may be left blank. Select if this equipment is critical or not, and static or mobile. Refer to your SOP if unsure how to configure the equipment. Press Save. Select the newly created equipment. Press on Associate Sensor. Locate the Datalogger and verify that you are selecting the correct sensor serial number. Check the box and press on Save. The Start icon will now be solid. Press on the Start icon. Enter in your login password. Refer to your SOP for proper sensor configuration. You may need to configure the following: reading interval, use drift uncertainty, allow ACK from Datalogger, use buzzer, and high-low limits. Press Save. Wait 1 minute. Synchronize logger. Press the refresh icon. The solid start symbol will now change to a solid square. Data logging has now started.